Hey, outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to Adventurite. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, camping with man's best friend, your furry companion. Camping with your dog isn't just an adventure, it's a bonding experience like no other. So why should you bring your dog on your next camping trip? Well, aside from the joy of their company, camping with your dog strengthens the bond between you two. It opens up a world of new sights, sounds, and smells for them, providing important stimulation they can't get at home. Now, safety is paramount when camping with your dog. A little preparation goes a long way. First things first, schedule a vet visit before hitting the campground. Make sure your furry friend is up to date on vaccinations and protected against fleas and ticks. And of course, don't forget a dog first aid kit. It's a camping essential for those just-in-case moments. Whether it's a minor scrape or a more serious situation, having the right supplies on hand can make all the difference. Now let's talk campsite etiquette. It's pretty straightforward. Be aware that many people go camping to relax, so keep your dog on a leash, minimize barking, and most importantly, never leave your dog unattended. Clean up after your pup, and if nature calls, pick it up following the leave no trace principles. Choosing the right campsite is key to a successful dog-friendly camping trip. Do your research, folks. Make sure the campsite welcomes dogs, check out their rules and regulations, and look for amenities like dog walking areas or nearby trails for exploration. Now, let's talk gear. Just like you need your essentials, so does your dog. Bring their regular food and water, a tie-out cable for a bit of freedom, a kennel or sleeping bed for comfort, and of course, some toys to keep them entertained. Oh, and don't forget a glow-in-the-dark collar or vest. It's a game changer when the sun sets, making it easy to spot your furry friend in the dark. Keeping your dog happy means engaging in activities they love. Whether it's hiking, playing in the water, tossing a frisbee, or even going on bike rides, tailoring the experience to your dog's preferences ensures they end the day tired and content. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Camping with your dog is a delightful experience with a little preparation and a lot of love. If you've got tips to share or want to add something, hit us up on our socials. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a share. Happy camping, everyone!